6 Benefits of Stone House Siding. Dear friends, stone house siding is a decorative and protective covering for a home's interior or exterior walls that can be made from natural stone or a manufactured stone veneer. Stone house siding is a great way to add curb appeal. It's also durable, affordable, and offers many other benefits. Watch on for 6 reasons why stone house siding is the best choice for your home. 1. Stone house siding adds curb appeal. Stone house siding is one of the most popular ways to increase curb appeal because it's both beautiful and versatile in its look. You can choose from several different stone colors to match your home's existing color scheme. 2. Stone house siding is durable and resistant to the elements. Stone is naturally resistant to many forms of weather damage, including wind and rain. In addition, stone doesn't rot or absorb water. This means that, unlike wood siding, which can become soft and warped in the rain, your stone house will look fresh and clean even when it rains non-stop for days. 3. Stone house siding is affordable. While many people assume that because stone house siding looks expensive, it must be expensive, this simply isn't true. Stone house siding comes in several grades, just like all other materials, allowing homeowners to purchase full-grade stone for an affordable price or go with lesser quality material if they're on a tighter budget. 4. Stone house siding is insulating. One of the best features of stone house siding is that it's an excellent insulator. This means that your home will stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer, saving you money on your energy bills each month. 5. Stone house siding is low maintenance. Stone is a naturally beautiful material that maintains its beauty for a lifetime. In addition, stone house siding doesn't require much care compared to other types of siding. Water spills will bead up and roll right off, and you won't have to worry about painting or staining your stone. 6. Stone house siding adds natural beauty to your home. Stone house siding is as attractive as it is functional. A home with stone house siding simply looks more expensive and luxurious than those with vinyl or wood siding. Because it's such an elegant look that fits in well in most settings and allows your home to fit in perfectly with the natural landscape around you. Stone house siding is a very versatile and attractive type of home siding. It can be customized to match your existing color scheme, is durable and resistant to the elements, and is low maintenance. Most importantly, stone house siding adds natural beauty and elegance to your home. For all these reasons, stone house siding is the best choice for your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.